Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 4 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this red, gold, and black Poinsettia water marble using the same polishes as yesterday's gold dry brush Christmas tree. If you want to see the rest of the series, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are China Glaze, Liquid Leather, Butter London, Knees Up, and Misa Ghetto Fabulous. Of course, you'll recognize these colors from yesterday's gold dry brush Christmas trees. Today we're going to be using Ghetto Fabulous as my base color. For protection around my nails, I'm going to be using the tape and Simply Peel combination again. I felt like that worked out really well. So applying the tape around one side and down the other, and then around my cuticles I'll be using Simply Peel. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once you have your bullseye built, you can start drawing in your design. For this, I'm going for kind of a poinsettia design. We're going to be drawing in from the sides to create 8 petals, and then we're going to pull each of those petals out to create a point. Larger spots on my skin, I went ahead and cleaned up with a Q-tip dipped in polish remover, and now I'm going to go in a little bit closer with my usual small brush. After you're done cleaning up, make sure to press flat any bubbles. Then we're going to be finishing off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm not thrilled with it, but I'm pretty pleased. I wish I'd been able to get the water marble a little bit more consistent across the nails. I feel like I've got a lot more black on some than others, but getting these to marble this successfully at all was a victory. If you want to check out the testing for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And of course, if you'd like to join us for a live stream on Twitch, you can follow me over there. I definitely do mean us, because interacting with the chat is probably the funnest part of live streaming. Or if you're not down for live streaming, I'd love to hear what you think right here on YouTube, down in the comments. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far, and as always, thanks for watching.